Mister thinks he's watching her, taking care of her. He's so good with her now. I know, sissy bird. I know. Little sissy bird. I know, baby. What do you want? What you want? You need something to play with, don't you? Yes, you do. I know. Come on. Uh-oh. I know. Stay back here. Come here. Get back down here. There you go. Okay, mister. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. What's she doing? You can't have my phone, Sadie. You can't have my phone. No. That's a good boy right there. That is my little boy. Look at him. You're so good, mister. Such a good boy. I know. So get your tail out of my face. All right, let's say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye, sissy.